Good morning. It's day 3 of vlogging and I'm still in Cambridge. Today अब हम लोग चल रहे हैं, हम लोग जा रहे हैं zoology museum. I have my friend with me and we are just walking. It's just an update here. I'll talk to you guys later. Yes, you can see everything here. Look, the tortoise and I don't know what it is. So यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत कुछ देखने लायक लगा, लेकिन मैं सबकी शूटिंग तो नहीं निकाल सकती, तो मैंने कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों की शूटिंग निकाली जो मुझे खासकर कुछ अलग लगी. Starfish and all. Wow. So let me tell you something about the university. It is basically a university museum of zoology, जो University of Cambridge का एक part है, and also a part of research community of Department of Zoology. यहाँ पे लोगों को आना जाना मुफ्त है और आप यहाँ पे एडमिशन भी ले सकते हैं. मुझे बहुत कुछ दिखा. See? Snowman! So many of the collections were assembled during the 19th century, which was the key period of development of modern biology. बहुत सारे materials 1865 और 1915 के टाइम पे है. सॉरी, मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, बट आई एम ट्राइंग. सो बेसिकली बहुत बहुत कुछ चीज़ें थी यहाँ पे देखने के लिए. ओके, ही इज वाचिंग मी, राइट? सी 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 सी, ही इज वाचिंग मी. आई एम सो सॉरी, मैंने ये व्लॉग नहीं किया अच्छे से, बट दिस वॉज द टाइम आई वॉज लिविंग कैम्ब्रिज. And I wrote a note over there and yay. So I am in Oxford right now. I just arrived here. I am going in the YH and I'll just talk to you guys in the hotel. Just give me the time because the bag बहुत भारी है. मुझे नहीं आ रहा उठाने को. So yeah. चलो कैजुअल भाई, क्या चल रहा है? जा रहे मजे में. And we are out and this is Oxford. असं केलेलं ना आम्ही एकदा बस. हाँ ये अरे you can see we are crossing the road. It's very cold and like raining over here and yeah, that's it. I'm sorry guys, मैंने बाद में vlog नहीं किया because my phone died and so this is how the day ended. Finally बहुत मज़ा किया हम लोग ने. हम लोग बहुत थके हुए थे. I'm sorry my vlogs are very incomplete, but yeah, that's it and enjoy the dance. It's day 4 of the vlogging. I'm sorry I started vlogging very late because okay, you cannot see me because of बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ किया हम लोग ने और the weather is still very good. It's sunny, it's cold. I'm wearing a sweater as usual. My lips are gone completely. I cannot smile. See? धूप आया अभी. So we just visited a museum right here, you can see, and I am going to upload some of the clips and Guys, it's very difficult to vlog over here because I cannot, first of all, it's very like rushy. सब लोग बहुत जल्दी जल्दी करते तो I don't have time. I also wanted to click some pictures, but I really don't have to time. I really don't have time to do that also. Oh God, my English is like gone. But still, I'm struggling, and I'm happy that at least some of it I'm vlogging, and some of it for you guys I'm doing stuff. So yeah, and basically I see a lot of cool people here beside there. They are sitting and just giving an update, and I start my vlog from here. So I'm gonna post some of the things and some of the very important things which I found very different, and I'll give a bit of information. So yeah, that's it, and see you guys later. So these are some of the clips of the Ashmolean Museum. Everything was so beautiful. So basically, let me tell you something about the Ashmolean Museum. This museum is the University of Oxford's Museum of Art and Archaeology, which was founded in 1683. Our world famous collection ranges from Egyptian mummies, yeah, you can see, and to contemporary art across the culture and across the time. I was very shocked to see the mummies. The best was this floor. I really don't remember the name, but Indian floor, I think every Indian things like the sculptures, the many historical things, everything were there. So yeah, and my favorite was this one. Seeing Nandi Baba in London is another kind of happiness. Okay, don't judge, huh? So yeah, go and enjoy the museum clips which I professionally shooted. Bye. Now, this was the old Ashmolean Museum. I think. Hi. So we are now going out. And so yeah, loving the weather.
2,000 years later.
So मैं vlogging नहीं कर रही थी, लेकिन because of these needies मुझे याद है कि मुझे vlogging करना है. हम लोग बस बैठ के फोटो खींच लेते हैं. हम लोग के पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं होता है गाइस. हम लोग बहुत भाग दौड़ करते हैं. नहीं निधि, बिल्कुल. अरे सांस लेने का टाइम नहीं होता है. हाँ. So how do you feel?
Like the place is amazing, but you should be a little laid back over here. Like a schedule is not a thing for this place.
Yeah. Okay. And what? Okay, she's taking the pictures. She's a photographer. So basically, yes. And guys, बहुत करे इधर, बहुत ज़्यादा करे. हम लोग बस देख रहे हैं. Come here. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Oh my God! Wow!
Go introduce the car.
Okay, I'm not used to such stuff, but I am Tandi and आज मेरा फोटोग्राफी.
तंदी बोली क्या बोली?
तन्वी, इसका नाम बोली.
खुद का नाम कौन रॉन्ग बोलेगा?
तंदी सुनाई दे. So guys, basically you can see the view over here. I have shown, पहले I have shown many things of museums and stuff, but look at the view. So guys, basically यहाँ पे कुत्ते क्या है वो, मतलब एक भी स्ट्रीट डॉग दिखा नहीं, और जितने भी डॉग्स दिखे ना वो सब अलग है. I'm loving this place and I'm thinking कि यहाँ पे आ जाओ, सेटल हो जाओ. I'm not able to talk much because of my lips. But yeah, and guys, nothing much. I'm covering as much as I can. आज का दिन तो पूरा फटाफट स्टार्ट हो गया, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला ब्लॉग करने को, लेकिन आई एम डूइंग इट राइट नाउ. सो आई थिंक अगर हम लोग को बुलावा आया है, आई टॉक टू यू गाइस लेटर. So long. Finally we are in the museum and it's worth waiting and watching. And like, whoa. Funny. And guys, you can also see very things, beautiful things. Everything here is worth watching. While I'm vlogging, I am missing very things I'm seeing on Instagram. See, but and बच्चा भी है. Guys, minerals. And कोई है. Oh, wait. Thank you. Oh, what the? Guys. Really? See? Those are reals, right? Real ना? Real है ना? एक सेकंड ना वैष्णवी. Yup. ये वाला देख. Look at this one. I know. Bro, ये देख. So pretty man. इसका फोन बज रहा है. Guys, and we can see star is coming.
I'm very famous in your vlog or what?
Yeah. Absolutely famous. Guys, बहुत मेरे को अभी ना बहुत मज़ा भी आ रहा है, लेकिन बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है कि थक गए हैं, बहुत थक गए हम लोग. ये लाखों को क्यों रखा है? अच्छा, फॉसिल. This is the museum, whole museum, and this is Nidhi. Sorry. I'm very tired, so I think I'll talk to you guys in the hostel because I'm just gonna see some things because they are really very beautiful. And here the star comes again. Oh my god.
Are you good at fun?
Bye.
Are you good at